Hey everyone, welcome back to Wireless Solutions. In this video, I will show you how to see your Wi-Fi password on Android. No root needed. Here's what we will cover. How to find your connected Wi-Fi network. How to view and share the password using a QR code. Let us get started. To view your connected Wi-Fi password on an Android phone without root, open Settings and go to Wi-Fi or Network and Internet. Tap the name of the network you are currently connected to, and as you can see, there is a QR code. Just scan it on another phone, and that will serve as a password in order for other devices to connect to that Wi-Fi. And that's it. If this video helped you out, please do like, share, and subscribe to Wireless Solutions for more smart Android tips and tricks. Got any questions or want us to cover other phone features? Please drop them in the comments below. And hey, this video is for viewing Wi-Fi passwords only on networks you own or have permission to access. Don't try this on someone else's network. It is not allowed. Thank you so much for watching, and we hope to see you in the next video. Bye for now.